In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Microsoft PowerPoint files in Gmail. We're going to use a simple search trick that quickly surfaces emails containing slide decks, so you can stop scrolling and get straight to the file you need. I'll demonstrate the idea in a web inbox, using Outlook's Mail View as an example, because the approach is the same. Type a precise search in the top bar and let your mailbox do the heavy lifting. Start by opening your email inbox in a desktop browser and sign in if prompted. Give the page a moment to load fully so the search tools are ready. Using a full browser window makes it easier to see search suggestions, attachment thumbnails, and any filters your mailbox might offer. Next, click into the search bar at the top of your inbox. Type the query, file name, PPT, and press enter. This tells your email service to look for messages with attachments whose names end in PPT. Many presentations today use the newer PPTX format, so if you want to be thorough, you can expand the search to include that as well by running a second search with file name PPTX. Keep the query tight, no spaces between the word file name, the colon, and the file extension so the filter works as intended. If your mailbox suggests a files or attachments view while you type, that's simply a shortcut to the same result. After you run the search, your results will focus on messages that include PowerPoint files. You'll often see a paperclip icon, an attachment preview, or a small file card showing the deck's name and size. Open the message that looks right, then select the PowerPoint file to view, download, or open it in your preferred app. If you get a long list, refine right in the search bar by adding a keyword you remember, like a project name, a client, or a month. You can also glance at the dates and senders to quickly zero in on the version you need. A couple of quick tips as you work. Try both, PPT and PPTX, to catch older and newer decks. Adjust your view or sorting if your mailbox offers relevance or date options. And remember that some presentations may be shared as links rather than attachments, so your search results may include emails with access links you can open directly. That's all there is to it. By using a targeted file name search, you can consistently find PowerPoint attachments in seconds and keep your workflow moving.